Hey there, this is your host from POC English. Today we're going to talk about what you can say if somebody asks you, "How was your day?" So we're gonna have an actual conversation in really slow understandable English. And you can see how native speakers use natural everyday English when talking about their day. So let's get started with a little warm-up question. What's one thing you learned today? Leave your answer in the comments below. Maybe somebody else can learn from what you have to share. Okay, now let's begin. Alright, so here we are in the middle of the day. It is lunchtime, and we're gonna be having a conversation between a boss and an employee. So I'm gonna be the boss, which is a woman named Emma, and my employee is a man named Nick. He works for me part-time at the office. He comes in a few days a week. Okay, so Nick, how was your weekend, Pum? It was great, actually. I went to the movies with my friends. Oh, really? Yeah, we saw that new Marvel movie. We always watch those together, just my group of friends. You know, guys, we love those superhero movies. Oh, yeah, do you like that genre, Cha? Not really. To be honest, I don't watch many movies. I prefer TV shows. Which one did you watch? We watched Guardians of the Galaxy. Is that the one with Chris Pratt? Yes, it is. Yeah, he's one of my favorites. Who's your favorite? Probably Robert Downey Jr. Same. Well, he's not in that one, but he's in a lot of the other ones. Yeah, he's Iron Man. Well, it sounds like you had a fun weekend. Yeah, it was. How was yours, Well, it was fine. I spent some time with my family. Nothing exciting, really. Yeah, did you do anything fun? We went out to dinner. That's nice. Yes, where did you go? To this Italian restaurant near our house. I like that place. Have you been there? No, I haven't. I've been meaning to go, though. It's pretty good. Yeah, they have really good pizza and pasta there. Yeah, my daughter loves that place. Every time we go, she orders pasta. My husband and I usually share a pizza. We like the sausage and pepperoni, alright? Enough small talk. Let's get back to work? Sure, alright. Now it's the end of the day, and Emma and Nick are leaving work together. So Nick, how was your day, Mo? It was good. I finished those reports you asked me to work on. Great, yeah? And I also updated the social media pages. Okay, and is there anything else I should know about your day? No, not really. Just that my wife is expecting me around 6 o'clock. Oh, okay. Will you be home by then? Yeah, I think so. There's no traffic right now, so it should be fine. Good. Yeah, I'm heading home too. I just have to stop at the grocery store first to pick up some things for dinner tonight. Oh, okay. Are you cooking? Yep, my wife asked me to get some vegetables and fruit. Oh, that sounds healthy. Yeah, well, we try to eat healthy most of the time, but sometimes we just eat whatever's convenient. I completely understand. Yeah, sometimes I come home so late that all I want to do is order delivery food or something. Yeah, that's easier than cooking. You don't need to clean up after yourself either. That's the best part. I know, but I do like cooking actually. I just don't always have the energy to do it. Me neither. Well, that sounds like a busy day. Yeah, well, how about you? What are you making tonight? We're having tacos. Oh, I love tacos. Do you make them yourself? Yep, my wife is amazing at making them. I'm more of a breakfast person. I like making breakfast foods. Like what? Well, pancakes, eggs, bacon. That sounds delicious. Yeah, I wish I could have some right now. I'm getting hungry just thinking about it. Me too. So Nick, do you have any plans for the weekend? No, not really. How about you? My husband and I are taking our daughter to a water park. That sounds like fun. Yeah, she loves water parks. She's already picked out her swimsuit. And we are gonna stay at a hotel near the water park, alright? Is there anything else you need to tell me about your weekend plans? No, nothing else. I just thought maybe you might want to know. I'll be out of the office Saturday and Sunday, okay? Yeah, I'll see you Monday morning. Yeah, bye. Alright, now it's Monday morning and Nick is back at work. Emma is asking him how his weekend was. So Nick, how was your weekend? Oh, it was great, actually. I went to the movies with my friends. Oh, really? Yeah, we saw that new Marvel movie. We always watch those together, just my group of friends. You know, guys, we love those superhero movies. Oh, yeah, do you like that genre, Ka? Not really. To be honest, I don't watch many movies. I prefer TV shows. Which one did you watch? We watched Guardians of the Galaxy. Is that the one with Chris Pratt? Yes, it is. Yeah, he's one of my favorites. Who's your favorite? Probably Robert Downey Jr. Same. Well, he's not in that one, but he's in a lot of the other ones. Yeah, he's Iron Man. Well, it sounds like you had a fun weekend. Yeah, it was. How was yours? Well, it was fine. I spent some time with my family. Nothing exciting, really. Yeah, did you do anything fun? We went out to dinner. That's nice. Yes, where did you go? To this Italian restaurant near our house. I like that place. Have you been there? No, I haven't. I've been meaning to go, though. It's pretty good. Yeah, they have really good pizza and pasta there. Yeah, my daughter loves that place. Every time we go, she orders pasta. My husband and I usually share a pizza. We like the sausage and pepperoni, all right? Enough small talk. Let's get back to work. Sure, all right, guys. Now it's time for you to practice. I am gonna ask you some questions, and you gonna roleplay the answers using the simple past tense and the simple present tense like we used in the dialogue. Be sure to include some details in your answers. Okay, let's begin. Question number 1. How was your weekend? Question number 2. How was your day? Question number 3. What did you do yesterday? Question number 4. How are you feeling today? Question number 5. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Question number 6. What's your favorite thing to cook? This concludes our video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the like button and leave me a comment. And be sure to subscribe so you won't miss any of our videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.